Hello students, welcome at Educare. This is Bihani and we will continue our discussion on chemical bonding in this part second. In the previous part we have seen why atoms combine and it is only for the stability. The system always try to get unstable to stable and for that purpose atoms are combining to give the molecules through the formation of chemical bond. Today we will see in this session how ionic bond is formed, how covalent bond is formed and coordinate bond is formed. So first we will deal with how ionic bond is formed. Ionic bond is formed by the attraction between oppositely charged ions. That is ionic bond also called as electrovalent bond. And remember, this kind of bond is formed by donating an electron from one atom to another atom. Simplest example is when sodium donates electron and that forms this positive ion Na plus that called as cation. Suppose this electron get accepted by chlorine to give this negative ion of chlorine, that is anion called, and now this positive and negative ions they combine to give this neutral NaCl molecule. So this is the electrovalent compound and this ionic bond is present in this NaCl. Then second is what is meant by covalent bond and how it forms. A covalent bond is formed by mutual sharing of a pair of electrons between two atoms of either same element or different element. For example, this is chlorine-chlorine covalent bond to give Cl2 molecule. This is HH covalent bond to give H2 molecule. And these were between the similar atoms. We take example of formation of HCl that contain between the hydrogen and chlorine the mutual sharing of electron. So that is the covalent bond and their examples are like this. Further, we take the formation of coordinate bond. Remember, coordinate bond is a special type of covalent bond in which there is sharing of a pair of electrons between two atoms like in covalent bond, but pair of electrons does not come one each from two atoms. Here it is donated by one atom for sharing purpose. Means the electron pair of one atom is shared by two atoms. However, that shared electron pair is said to be the lone pair of electrons. We'll take example of that coordinate bond formation, and that example, the best example is formation of this ammonium ion NH4 plus. Do you know in ammonia nitrogen has such lone pair of electrons, and when this combine with proton or H plus ion, then we get such structure. The lone pair of electron is donated here for the formation of such coordinate bond, and then we get such coordinate complex that is called as ammonium ion. See, these three are ordinary covalent bond NH3 containing, and now this is the new coordinate bond. This arrow indicates the electron pair come from nitrogen and it is now shared by both atoms. So that is the coordinate bond. It is also called as dative bond, and remember it is a special type of covalent bond because it is also formed by sharing of a pair of electrons. Now we will deal with concept of covalency and electrovalency. When an atom form covalent bond, it has to share the electrons with other atom. For example, in the formation of H2 molecule, both hydrogen shares one electron each. In the formation of HCl, suppose hydrogen's electron is here and chlorine's electron is shown by such cross. Then covalency of hydrogen is 1, covalency of chlorine also 1. Or for example, water structure is like this, HOH, in which one oxygen shares its two electrons with two hydrogen or two different hydrogen atom, means covalency of oxygen is 2 but that of hydrogen is 1. In ammonia, we know the covalency of nitrogen is there 3. What about electrovalency? Electrovalency is the number of electrons donated or accepted by an atom to become its positive or negative ion during the formation of ionic bond. For example, in magnesium chloride, MgCl2, magnesium donates 2 electron to become such positive ion, that is cation. So the ionic valency, which is called as electrovalency of magnesium, is 2. But one chlorine atom accepts 1 electron to become chloride ion. That's why the electrovalency of chlorine is 1. So magnesium electrovalency is 2, means it can donate 2 electrons, while chlorine's electrovalency is 1 because it accepts 1 electron. So it may be donated or accepted, but how many shows the combining capacity, and that is nothing but electrovalency. So that is the brief idea about the covalent and ionic bond. We will have the details of it in the next part, that is part 3. If you like this video, share this with your friends and also subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon button so that to get our notifications. Thanks.